Let's begin a quick tour of the new Max V2 interface, specifically focusing on what is Booking Engine Alert. This feature allows a property to publish an alert/notification to display on the booking engine. Maybe you have a special promotion you want to announce, or maybe maintenance at the property that you want to notify guests about before booking. Then this feature is for you. Available free to Booking Engine subscribers. Let's start by going to the Booking Engine option from the side menu. Click on Menu. Under High Conversion Tools, you'll find the option of Booking Engine Alert. Here we have two options to add or edit any old alert set. Let's start by clicking on the add sign to add a new alert. Now let's start by entering the name of the alert and the description. Now set the time frame from when the alert needs to start and end. Finally, to finish the process, click on Save. Thank you for watching. For more videos on related topics, please visit our YouTube channel.